Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a personal observation of AI and how it's coming to our computers, our devices, and being used everywhere. And one comment that I did see yesterday says, I will never use AI. Well, you're already using it. So many times you're using AI you don't know. Just look at the fact that we talked about how Google search has this AI look, this AI kind of little paragraph that wants to answer whatever question you asked or whatever thing you want to know. And basically, what happens is you get to the point where you have a hard time to make a difference between the real stuff and the AI stuff. And this is where my problem lies. A lot of people say, I don't want that AI. You'll have it. And whatever you're using, including Linux. Anybody in Linux distros that think that AI is not going to be there, it's going to be there. And every distro at some point you will see. It's not a question of anything Windows. When I see people saying, well, I'm getting out of Windows because of Copilot, it's laughable, because it's like, it'll be everywhere. You're not going to escape it. Who cares? The thing is not AI. I got no problem with AI in itself. I got no problem that it has or does things for me. I've shown you that Notepad now has AI, and you can go and use the Paint app. Great example here, a Paint app. And I mean, it's fun. You can go to the Paint app, you can go to the Copilot on the top, say image creator, say I want a picture of a cat on a boat. Press enter and let it do the pictures and even variants of it. I mean, people that can draw, that like to have something, or they would like to create an image of something, I think it's cool. These are things that are nice, and it's not that is the problem. The big problem is making the difference between human-made things and AI-made things. They might look kind of artificial right now, but they won't forever. At some point, it will be good enough that it will be difficult to make a difference. And we already have examples of that. YouTube, TikTok, and all of these video places already have examples. There's America's Got Talent. Several videos that are fake, that are AI-driven fakes, and that are, of course, mixed in a way that you're kind of, they want you to believe it's true, but it's not. And this is where it's dangerous, and I have a problem with AI, is that when it comes to the point where you're not sure if it's the real deal, you're not sure if it's something that happened, you're not sure if that picture is a real one, you're not sure if the text you're going to get in front of you is made and created by a human, or was it something made by AI? This is the dangerous part of AI, and that's where I have I'm kind of worried. Not the fact that it's getting into our computers. It's fine. I got no problem with that. I mean, look at these. They're kind of cute, when you look at how they created it. But I think that's the big warning of the future. What's real, what's not. And that's going to be the future. Fake or real. Human or machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.